What's going on, YouTube? My name is Bradley Moore. I am a new photographer. I'm here. This is my very first video on my channel, so welcome to my channel. The one thing I've noticed is that a lot of YouTubers out here have a wealth of experience. They waited until they got to a point where, they feel comfortable to share their photos with everyone else, and that's where I believe they were smart. I'm not so smart. So here's what's going to happen with me. So I'm going to basically take you along on my journey on becoming a better photographer. What I learned, I'm hoping to help you guys learn, or maybe you can teach me. I'll learn off of you guys. But the basis of this is to grow as I grow. I'm gonna start off with pretty cheap gear because I'm not rich like these other guys, or even have the endorsements that they have. Some of them have very high power gear. I don't have that. So my hope is to show you how to maybe make great pictures with not so expensive gear, if that makes sense. One thing I'm looking forward to is sharing my knowledge. Whatever knowledge I get, it's going to be given right back to you guys. Say the first video is the hardest, and I can attest to that. This is very hard. I'm even sweating in my air-conditioned house, mainly because of nerves. But I think that'll get better as they go along. The video quality will get better. Even my lessons will get better. So I look forward to you guys coming along. My first, I guess, official video after this one will be of what gear do I have. So the very first, I'll start off with this. The very first camera I had is actually what's recording me right now. It's a D3400. I still love that camera. It's a crop sensor camera, but it does a really good job of taking pictures. Here's a picture that this camera took right here. And so my most recent camera, or most recent purchase, is a D800, and I'll go into that in the next video. But a D800, and that camera took this picture. So as you can see, from the beginning with the D3400 to where I am right now has been a growth, I think an exponential growth. But I still have a lot to learn, and I hope that you guys would be willing to come along with me and share this experience with me. One of the things that I hope to do be it to take a well-known photo, or even maybe a photo that I find on Instagram, deconstruct it, and show you guys how I feel that the lighting was accomplished, and reproduce it into a picture for you guys to see, and see how you can maybe do it once again on a minimal budget. Thank you for putting up with me for this very first video. Guaranteed they'll get better, as will our photography. So let's learn, let's dig into this thing, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.
My dad was very nervous, so he forgot to say like and subscribe. So please like and subscribe.